Hi, I'm Brendan. I'm from Orchard Park, New York. My major is Welding Technology. I had never welded before coming to college, and leaving high school I didn't have much of an idea of what I wanted to do. I just knew that I wasn't the type of person that could be sitting in an office all day. I had to be out working with my hands and my head. So Alfred State was a great fit for me because it allowed me to do something like that. And I love the fabrication aspect of welding, where I can go in and actually create something, brainstorm it, and put it together. Right now I'm working on my senior project, which is an 8.5 foot by 6 foot welding trailer. And that's teaching me a whole lot about how to fabricate and put things together and make something that'll actually work and is quality and will last me for years to come down the road. I like the fact that I could come here with no prior experience, no knowledge whatsoever about welding, having never welded a day in my life, and it gotten to the point where I've become pretty proficient with it, and I have a decent paying job and a whole load of future opportunities.